You don't have to break the bank to have a great-looking backyard. Use these clever ideas to add personality to your garden. When you see a project being torn out, ask about the cast-offs. You may be able to get an entire patio like these pavers for almost nothing. Just plan to be flexible and open-minded. Mixing materials is a great way to piece a patio together. Here, pavers, flagstones, and gravel combine artfully. No need to buy pass-along plants like purple coneflowers. Ask friends for divisions from quick-growing perennials like these. Cast-iron bathtubs make great containers. Old stepladders are quick to set up plant stands, and old wash tubs and stoves add vintage charm as planters and ornaments. Watch after the holidays for sales on string lights. They add sparkle to a garden and can be used in so many ways. Check out the wall of lights on the privacy fence here. With a little patience and ingenuity, it's easy to put together a beautiful garden, even on a tight budget. Get great projects, garden ideas, and expert plant tips in your mailbox 6 times a year. Subscribe to Garden Gate magazine.